Hello guys and gals, and welcome back to J. Taylor in LA. Again, I'm here with another review. As you can see in the background there is the Bixler2, the latest Bixler from Hobby King. And the purpose for this review is the CNC motor mount system for the Bixler2. Earlier I had given a review of the motor mount system for the Bixler. The system is exactly the same except for one item of the system, and that would be this tube right here. This tube is what your motor mount bolts up to. Now, you're asking yourself, where in the world does this go? Well, I'm here to get there and show you. And here in my Bixler2, I already have one of these systems mounted in my Bixler2. And as you can see, it's a very neat job. It's not very complicated. Probably takes more time for the glue to dry than it does for you to get there and put all this together. So what happens is you take your Bixler and you remove the motor mount that came with your Bixler and the original motor, and in the motor section right here is where the original motor and motor mount are located, and you just go in there and remove them, and once that's removed, then you apply some glue out here on around this motor mount area on this tube, and then you come back up and slide this mount straight in to the foam housing there, making sure that when you do, that the top edge along here stays horizontal to the whole system. As you can see how it is horizontal on my Bixler here. Now, this Bixler2 is running a 2836 motor at 2200 kV. It's swinging a 6x4 prop. I'm telling you, this makes this plane into a screaming demon. Once your tube section of the motor mount is dry and you're ready to get there and put your motor together. Here I have a motor that has the motor mount plate on it. As you see, very nicely machined, very nicely done. And as you would do it, you would get there and just slide your connectors to the tube, and your motor will get there and connect up to it, just as it is up here. Now, you might want a bigger motor. As you can see, down here there's plenty of room between the plane and the tip of the blade, and like I said, this is a 6x4. You can add other props to this system, and if the props are very long, you can get there and unbolt these 4 screws, 2 here and 2 on the other side, and slide this bracket up. And when you do, you know, you're able to get there and put on another prop of a larger size. You can replace the motor, put a bigger motor if you want as well, you know. But bear in mind, always, no matter which position that you put this bracket, the motor angle here always stays the same. It just raises it up, but it remains the same. Well, there you have it. It's just a quick and simple modification. Like I said, I've got a couple of these that I keep motors on and stuff. Here's another one that I use. I use this system here for my regular Bixler. In it, I keep them, you know, together like that with the bracket, and I can get there and change this motor out in a matter of minutes and be flying a whole different configuration and a different size prop. Can't beat it. So talk to our friends, look them up on the internet, and give them a shout out and check out their many parts. They've got this motor mount system for the Bixler, the Skywalker, and a few other planes. Also, they have some mounting hardware for servos. Instead of just gluing your servos in, they've got some machined plates that you can add to your servos, to where you don't have to glue your servos directly to the plane. So there you have it. Another great product from my friends at CNC. So give them a try today. And as always, thanks for watching my reviews. This is JT with J Taylor in LA. Subscribe today. Leave me your comments. I'll be glad to hear from you. Have a great day. Put a plane in the wind and support your local hobby shops today. Bye.